What happens when you take an American legend, blend it with rugged charm, high-tech features, and a bold new design for 2026? You get the unstoppable, unmistakable, and undeniably cool 2026 Ford Bronco in a striking blue finish. Whether you're a hardcore off-road enthusiast or just someone who craves the retro-modern vibes of a true SUV icon, the Bronco continues to be a symbol of freedom, exploration, and bold American engineering. In this video, we're diving deep into everything the 2026 Ford Bronco has to offer. We'll be exploring its revamped exterior, modern yet functional interior, enhanced performance package, and of course, breaking down what kind of price you'll be paying to park this beast in your driveway. So buckle up, because the wild is calling, and the 2026 Bronco is ready to answer. Exterior. The moment you lay your eyes on the 2026 Ford Bronco in this dazzling blue color, it's clear this isn't just another SUV. It's a rolling statement of freedom and toughness. Ford has retained the Bronco's iconic boxy shape, round LED headlights, and vertical grille slats, a direct nod to the original 1966 model, but this time, they've elevated everything for a modern road warrior. The front end is even bolder now, with a revised grille that houses active air shutters for improved aerodynamics. The signature Bronco badging stretches across the grille with confidence, flanked by updated LED daytime running lights that are more angular and intense, giving it an aggressive yet refined look. The body lines are sharp but not overdone. Rugged fender flares wrap around massive 33 to 37-inch all-terrain tires depending on the trim you go for. And if you go with the Sasquatch or Raptor package, those tires are accompanied by beefy suspension upgrades and a lifted stance that screams off-road readiness. Ford now offers new removable roof panels made from a lightweight composite that are easier to store and reinstall, perfect for open-air adventures. The doors remain frameless and detachable, and the side mirrors are still mounted to the body instead of the doors, so you won't lose visibility when going doorless. The rear maintains the upright tailgate with a swing-out design and a full-size spare mounted on it, again, old-school vibes with modern functionality. New for 2026 is an optional powered tailgate that makes loading gear even easier. Tail lights have been redesigned slightly, appearing sleeker and more layered, offering a nice touch of depth and elegance at the rear. Overall, the 2026 Bronco's exterior is an exercise in balance, rugged yet premium, retro yet future-ready. And in this rich blue paint, the Bronco commands attention whether it's on a trail, at a campsite, or pulling up to the local coffee shop. Step inside the 2026 Ford Bronco, and you'll be surprised how far it's come since its rebirth. The interior still carries that utilitarian feel, but now it's complemented with more upscale materials, better tech integration, and clever design touches that blend comfort with practicality. The dash layout is upright and bold, with big rubberized knobs and switches that are glove-friendly, perfect for those who actually use the Bronco for its intended off-road purpose. The center console now houses a larger 13.2-inch touchscreen display powered by Ford's latest S1C5 system. It's more responsive, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and now includes over-the-air updates, real-time off-road telemetry, and even trail mapping through Ford Pass. Depending on the trim, you'll get marine-grade vinyl seats, cloth, or leather-trimmed upholstery. The washable rubberized floors with integrated drains are still available, and they're better sealed for 2026, making cleanup after a muddy adventure even more effortless. For those opting for higher trims or packages like the Outer Banks or Wildtrak, you'll enjoy added touches like contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and even a Bang & Olufsen 10-speaker premium sound system that pumps out crisp, clear audio whether you're blasting tunes in the city or catching vibes in the desert. Rear seat room remains solid, especially in the 4-door variant, and cargo space is plentiful. The seats fold flat, offering a fully usable storage area with hooks and power outlets. Ford has added new mall strap systems on the seat backs and additional tie-down points in the cargo area for gear. Another standout feature in the 2026 Bronco is the new digital instrument cluster, now standard on all trims. It's a 12 4-inch screen with customizable views, including off-road status, pitch and roll indicators, and real-time power distribution graphics for the 4x4 system. There's also an upgraded wireless charging pad, more USB-C ports scattered around the cabin, and optional heated rear seats for added comfort. All of this while keeping that rugged, functional vibe alive. It's truly a cabin built for both wild expeditions and daily urban life. Performance. Performance is where the 2026 Ford Bronco continues to impress, no matter which powertrain or trim level you choose. Ford has fine-tuned every component under the hood and under the chassis to ensure the Bronco remains the king of go-anywhere capability. The base engine remains a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline, for producing 300 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque. It's punchy and efficient, perfect for those who want solid performance without too many bells and whistles. But most buyers will likely step up to the 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 that now makes 340 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque, smoother, quicker, and far more satisfying both on-road and off. New for 2026 is a recalibrated 10-speed automatic transmission with improved shift logic, quicker response, and smoother transitions. A 7-speed manual transmission remains available with the base engine, a rare and welcome touch for driving purists. And if you're craving something wild, there's still the Bronco Raptor, which now churns out a staggering 440 horsepower from its 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, paired with a high-performance suspension, Fox shocks, and reinforced chassis components. It's not just fast for a Bronco, it's downright ferocious for any SUV. All models come with standard 4x4, but Ford's GOAT goes over any terrain. Modes have been expanded to include more settings like deep snow/sand, slippery, sport, tow haul, rock crawl, and Baja, depending on trim. Trail turn assist, trail control, like off-road cruise control, and a front camera system with spotter view all work together to make conquering difficult terrain feel like a game. The electronic locking front and rear differentials and stabilizer bar disconnect are still available for serious rock crawlers. Towing capacity ranges up to 4,500 pounds depending on the engine and configuration, making it great for trailers, boats, or extra gear for your weekend escape. On the road, the 2026 Bronco feels more refined thanks to updates in suspension tuning and better cabin insulation. Steering is more responsive, body roll is reduced, and overall road manners have improved without sacrificing that signature Bronco ruggedness. Prices. Let's talk about money, because adventure doesn't come free. The 2026 Ford Bronco lineup continues to offer a wide variety of trims and packages, giving buyers plenty of flexibility based on budget and use. The base two-door Bronco starts at around $39,000, with essential features and a manual transmission. The 4-door version adds about $2,500 to that base price. Climb up to trims like Big Bend, Black Diamond, or Outer Banks, and you'll be looking at $45,000 to $53,000 depending on options. The Wild Track, which blends luxury and performance, starts at around $58,000. The Everglades trim, built for hardcore water and mud challenges, comes in around $60,000 with its factory snorkel and winch. And then there's the mighty Bronco Raptor. If you want the most extreme version of the Bronco, you're looking at a starting price of about $76,000, but it can easily hit $85,000 or more with options. Ford has also introduced new package bundles for 2026 like the Overland Adventure Kit and the Coastal Style Package, which let you spec the Bronco exactly how you want, from aggressive trail dominator to beach cruiser. And don't forget about ownership costs. The Bronco's improved fuel efficiency gives you about 20 to 24 mpg depending on engine and tires, but your mileage will vary if you're running 37s and spending your weekends climbing rocks. Maintenance costs are reasonable for the segment, and Ford's extended warranties and service plans help make long-term ownership stress-free. So, is the 2026 Ford Bronco still the king of rugged SUVs? In a word, absolutely. Ford has managed to modernize an off-road icon without losing the soul that made it famous in the first place. With its aggressive exterior, functional yet premium interior, impressive off-road chops, and a wide range of powertrains and trims, the Bronco continues to offer something for everyone. Whether you're an old-school enthusiast chasing nostalgia, or a new generation adventurer looking for a capable daily driver with edge and personality, the 2026 Bronco answers the call. And in this stunning blue color, it's more than a machine. It's a movement. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ford Bronco, smash that like button, subscribe for more epic car reviews, and drop a comment letting us know which trim you'd go for, and whether you'd pick the 2-door or 4-door. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep driving bold. Until next time.